I wanted her to train with me. I feel so sad now. Okay, you probably haven't met this animal before. Her name is Miss Cleverpaw. You can't really see, can you? I'm looking at the video capture device and it's not really showing up properly. But her name is Miss Cleverpaw, and this character is based off of me because I'm called Clever. So yeah. She wants to trade that with. To trade you that. Now you know this is gonna be really mean, but I already have. Wow, that was mean. Oh, she's going. Let's team up again soon. Because that was actually very fun. So I'm just gonna move my camera quickly more closer to my laptop so you can see better. Yeah, how you can have better quality. Have you heard the calls? Okay, there was an elephant party. Speaking of parties, I'm going to show you some of the parties. The summer carnival is considered a party because people can go there. I'm going to go to the cruise ship party because that's the only place really I can be. Oh, apparently there's a juice machine. Ooh, a party pool. Excuse me, you guys are not going down. Woo! Love the pool. Where is the drinks machine? There is no drinks machine. Sad, but he cares. This is an awesome party, sort of. Not really. And things for saying, don't really want to lounge chair because my one isn't really for the same. Simpso wants to play Scoops. It's easy. I'm very good at this game. I'll show you. Now the only reason is because people keep on bugging me. What? That was right though. Where is Simpso so I can replay? I want to challenge him myself. A lot of penguins. Ooh. Wow, I've been recording for long. Okay, we're gonna be doing a few more minutes in Animal Jam and then we will go. Just gonna friend her quickly. Please accept. Oh. I'm gonna. She doesn't accept buddy requests. But I'm gonna say. Have one more buddy thing. What did I say to her? There's a lot of sleeping bunnies here. But she's gonna say, okay. Your buddy is full! Your buddy list is full. Let's play Scoot. Yay! She buddied me! Because her buddy list is full. How did you get popcorn? Anyway, I have to go soon. I really don't want to leave. So I'm going to stay at this party for a bit more. And yeah. So, bye-bye guys. Bye.